Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing how to draw the scratch mark pickaxe from Fortnite. Let's get started at the top of our page with the center seam of the blade. So we start over on the left side, we draw a curve that goes up and then out towards the right. Let's move to the left side and draw the back edge of the blade. So starting from this point, we're going to taper this up and over towards the right. Up to right about there. Now from this point, I just want to angle down and in towards that center line. Now from that point, I'm going to draw a short angled line coming down over towards the left. Then we're going to come down towards the bottom of the blade. Now let's connect the end to that point with a curve, going across and then down. Let's separate out the tip. Starting about halfway along this curve, come in and bend that down towards that center line. And then from here, we're just going to angle down and over towards the left. Now let's draw the top panels of the blade. From this point, we're going to step up. We're going to draw that same angled line coming down just up above that center line. Now we're going to follow this curve, going across to right about there. Let's go to the top and do the same thing. We're going to curve across and then down. Now let's connect these 2 points with an angled line. Now we're going to draw the second panel. From this point, we're going to step up, draw a straight angle line coming down towards that center line. We're going to continue that curve along the top. Now from here, let's draw an angled line going up and out. And then we're going to connect these 2 points with another curve. Now we're going to draw the inside of the blade. From this point, I'm going to step down, draw a straight line going in behind the first panel. We're going to go in between. We're just going to poke this out on the right side. Now I'm going to come down with an angled line towards that center seam. Now let's fill that top area in black. Now just underneath this point, we're going to step down towards this line. A short straight line coming down. Now from here, we're going to curve across and then down. Just going to pull that down to right about there. Now I'm going to go up in an angle underneath that line. Let's go back to the right side and draw on the tip of the blade. From this point, we're going to step up. We're going to continue this line coming down, all the way down towards the bottom. Now from the bottom, we're going to curve across and over towards that point. And we do the same thing with the top. Starting up here, we're going to curve across and then down. And then from the top of this line, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going in, and we'll fill that bottom area in black. Now we want to take this curve and continue over towards the handle. So we'll start out here, continue that curve coming down and in. And now from here, we're going to step up, draw a straight angle line coming out towards the outside of the handle. Now we want to complete the inside edge. About halfway down this line, angle down and out, and come straight down towards that line. Let's fill that bottom area in black. Now I just want to trace these 3 lines along the inside. So we're going to step down, come in, come down. Now we're going to go across. We're not going to go all the way. We're going to stop right about there, and then we'll come straight down. Now from this point of the handle, we're going to draw a straight line angling down towards the bottom. So start up here, we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the top. We're going to follow that same angle line coming down to right about there. And then from here, I'm going to draw an angled line going up and out towards the left. Now we're going to bump out the center of the handle. Starting from this point, we're going to come down and out in a slight angle out towards the side. Now we're going to pull that back in, going down and in. Now from here, we're going to follow that same angled line going up and out, step up, draw that same angled line. Now from this point, we're going to follow that same angled line, going up and out. Now in between, draw another line. We're going to step up from this line, draw one more line coming down. Now from the center of this line, we're going to draw a half circle, step down, do the same thing with that center line, and then one at the bottom. Now we're going to add a button on the side. From this point, we're going to step down, angle up and out with a short line. From the bottom, we're going to step up, draw the same length line. We're going to close off the end with a straight line. Now let's go back to the bottom. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming down. Now we're not going to go all the way. We're going to stop right about there. And from here, we're going to angle down and in. Now we're going to go across. We're going to go across that line and poke it out on the end. From here, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Now let's angle down in the opposite direction towards the front. And then from here, we're going to go straight up. Now we're going to follow that same angled line going up, then out. Now we're going to close off the end with an angled line. Now from the bottom, we're going to step up and draw an angled line coming down towards the left. Now we're going to add two more lines along the center. Starting down here, we're going to follow that same angle, going down, step up, draw that again. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's a scratch mark pickaxe for Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.